everyone, Naturalist Sammy Evans here at Natural Bridge State Resort Park, and I'm here with you today on the recreation station. We know that the holidays are approaching fast, so we wanted to give you guys some DIY crafts that you can do at home. What we're going to do today involves materials that you can find right in your own backyard. Let's go ahead and get started on these nature crafts. Alright guys, the first craft that we're going to make together is a DIY stick Christmas tree. So the materials that you will need are some sticks that you can find in your own backyard or around your house. You'll need a hot glue gun and any additional decorations that you want to use, like pipe cleaners, bows, or pom-poms. Once you've collected your sticks, what you want to do is break and arrange them to form the shape of a tree. You can make some big, you can make some long. It's really up to you and how you want your tree to look. Okay guys, once you have your sticks arranged how you want them, with your parents' help, what you're going to do is take your hot glue gun and glue all your sticks on. So I'm going to go ahead and glue my sticks on, and I'll meet you guys at the end once you've glued yours on. Here we are, and I've glued all my sticks on, and as you can see, we have a little tree. So now you can either leave it like this, or you can go ahead and decorate it. So I'm going to put a bow on the top and maybe some pipe cleaners. Alright guys, here is my finished tree. So what I did was I just kind of cut and rolled some pipe cleaners to make some candy canes and little balls that looked like ornaments. So here is my finished tree. And that's it guys, we're done. Now there is one more optional step that you can take. What we can do now is take some twine or fishing line or any type of thread that you have. We'll cut a little piece off, and what we will do is flip our tree over, glue it to the top here, and we'll make a little Christmas tree ornament. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, here we go. I made my little hanger for my tree. And there you have it, our DIY Christmas stick tree. So I hope you guys like this craft. Just remember to be very careful with your hot glue gun and make sure you have an adult's help. Now let's go ahead and move on to our second DIY holiday nature craft. Okay guys, our next DIY holiday craft is an evergreen wreath. So the supplies you'll need are some sticks. I'm going to use the ones I had left over from our first craft. Some cardboard cut into a wreath shape, your hot glue gun, and some down evergreen needles. The evergreen needles I'm using today are from an English yew tree. You can see this red berry here. Now the red flesh of the berry is edible, but the dark brown seed in the center is not edible. So some other fun facts about evergreens. Evergreens are trees that keep green leaves all year round. Evergreens are not just pine trees. They are junipers, firs, redwoods, and hemlocks. Northern Europeans were the first ones to use a fir Christmas tree. This tradition spread throughout Europe and became what we have today, although many of us do use artificial trees. Evergreens also provide a great shelter to many animals, like squirrels, chipmunks, owls, and bald eagles. And if you're fortunate enough to live near evergreens, they also can help cut your electricity costs in the winter by blocking your house from the winter wind. So for this craft guys, what we need is our hot glue gun and our parents' help, whatever down pine needles you're using, and what you're going to do is put some glue either on the pine needle or on your cardboard and just glue your evergreen needles all around your cardboard. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that. You guys do the same and we'll meet you back at the end. Here we have the wreath after we glued on our evergreen needles. So as you guys can see, here's how full I did mine. You can put as many as you want on your wreath. So next what we're going to do is we're going to take some of our twigs here that we have left over and just kind of fill them in wherever we feel that they look good. I also found a pine cone when I was out looking for supplies, so I think I'm going to use that as well. So work on decorating and I'll show you guys at the end what mine looks like. Here is my finished evergreen wreath. I put some sticks, the pine cone I found, and a little bow up at the top. Now the last step to do is to flip our wreath over, get a piece of twine, thread, or fishing line, and make yourself a little hanger just like we did on the tree. So here we go guys, here is our evergreen wreath. Thank you guys for joining me today on the recreation station. I hope everyone enjoyed our DIY holiday crafts And the staff here at Natural Bridge wants to wish everyone a safe and happy holidays. At the end of this video, we are also going to attach an apple slice bird feeder craft that you can do at home with apple slices, peanut butter, and birdseed. Thank you guys. Happy holidays.